the hotel overall. Welcome to Bali Bintang Resort. Situated right on the beach and only a 30-minute walk from Kuta Central, this resort has everything your family needs to have a great couple of days in Kuta. The resort's architecture has lots of traditional Balinese flair with intricate carvings and beautiful gardens, and a great sense of calm and serenity. It's the perfect place to escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life in Kuta. We're a brand new channel. It helps us grow if you could like this video and subscribe. Thanks a bunch. I'm sorry, our kids absolutely crashed our rooms while we were away and I didn't get a video of it. But these kind of show what it's like. The rooms are really comfortable and spacious. We had a two-bedroom unit with one bedroom on one side for us and 3 beds on the other side for the 3 kids. For our rooms, I give them about a 4 out of 5. And like a lot of Kuta resorts, this one is located right on the beachfront, so you can enjoy the beautiful Bali coastline. And because the resort is a bit older, it's not as crowded as some of the newer resorts. It's got lots of space with amazing gardens. Despite its age, Bali Bintang Resort has all the modern amenities for your comfortable stay. There's a beautiful big pool, a spa, plenty of restaurants and bars to choose from, and because it's only a short distance from the airport, it's the perfect place to start or end your Bali adventure. Our 3 kids had an absolute blast playing pool bingo at the pool bar. They'd win prizes like ice cream or soft drinks. It was a small thing to do, but at 1 PM every day, it really was a lot of fun. For amenities, I give this resort a 4 out of 5. The resort's location makes it a great option for those looking for somewhere to stay at the arrival or departure of your BALI'S. The resort's location makes it a great option to stay for those who are looking for somewhere for the start or end of their... The resort's location makes it a great option for those looking for somewhere to stay at the arrival or departure of their Bali holiday. You can rest and recover after a long flight or enjoy a few days of peace and tranquility before you head right back into reality. If you're looking for family accommodation in Kuta, why not check out Furama Exclusive by clicking the video above. And if you're looking to explore Bali's culture and heritage, Bali Bintang Resort is ideally situated. There's plenty of local traditional markets and cultural attractions, so you can get a real taste of Bali life. But if you're a bit more interested in the nightlife and entertainment options, you won't be disappointed. There's plenty of bars and nightclubs nearby, and the resort has a lively atmosphere in the evenings, often with live music. So if you're looking for a resort with lots of charm and character right on the beachfront and only a short distance from the airport, Bali Bintang's the perfect choice. It's an older resort, but it offers everything you need for a comfortable stay and a sense of Balinese charm you won't find anywhere else. Overall, I give this resort a solid 4 out of 5. It was a wonderful stay for a family, showing a few signs of age, but very comfortable and very enjoyable.